This is for all you eyeglass wearers out there who are trying to get your glasses to stay up in the sweltering heat if they drift off the end of your nose. So easy. You're going to need some setting powder. So you can buy your setting powder in any drugstore. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my brush, and I'm gonna tap it right here on each side of my nose. But we're not gonna stop there. I'm going to tap it on the nose piece of the glasses. I like a finely milled setting powder the best, so that as we sweat, nice and secure, as we sweat, it's not going to appear white and caked on the side of the nose. So something that is really more finely milled. My name is Kim, and I love teaching easy over 50 makeup tips.